Excellent. The Alliance has not detected our scouting party. This world will be no fodder to appease the hunger of the beast. On my command.
The telepod must be nearby, but the signal is coming from all around us.
What if we can't find it in time?
We will. We're gonna save these people, whether they want to be saved or not. Beast drones!
Take cover! You're under attack! That includes you, Zuma! Go, now! Why won't anybody here listen to us?
You left your back unguarded again.
What would we do without you, Jade?
Pray you never have to find out.
For granite's sake, move!
Father, look out!
Nicely done, daughter.
And to think you didn't want me along.
Time to end this.
This is Pirates with the fleet. You better keep an eye out, guys. We've detected beast ships near your location.
Next time, try calling sooner.
Can you hold out till we get there?
What choice do we have?
They are retreating.
They'll be back. With friends.
Are you all right, Zuma?
How was I supposed to know your bogeyman actually existed?
Those were only scouts. Soon the drones will return in force.
Ha! Their force has yet to meet the true might of the sun, people.
We have to find the telepod.
It could take days to find the telepod metal disc in this city.
Oh, the sun disk. Why didn't you say so?
Sun disk?
Where?
It's in the central pyramid. People used to worship the thing. Frightful bore. Zuma, take them to it.
Jade, Zira, you go along with Zuma. Trios and I will help organize this planet's defense.
Oh, I say, jolly good of you.
Take no unnecessary chances, daughter.
No more than you would, Father. There it is!
Ugh, nothing's happening.
The sand must have damaged it. Now what are we going to do?
I've got a sonic cannon back on the ship. Stay here and wait till I return.
But... Oh, great. Now what am I supposed to do? Zuma?
Our scouts have discovered that this new world is weak and powerless. We will crush its defenses. It will be helpless before the power of the beast.
Zuma? Where are you taking me? Zuma, where are we going? Zuma! I'm frightened!
Talk to me.
Graver, it's Pyrus! The Beast Fleet is closing in on Planet Sand! I'm afraid you're out of time!
It's a dead end! Zuma, there is obviously more to you than everybody thinks. You have to do something. Anything!
Very well, child. If you insist.
Get back to the Blade Wing. I'll handle things here.
Please, don't!
Kindred, we have watched as these brave travelers warned us of danger, then fought to defend us.
Zuma, you're telepathic.
Now, after our long centuries of waiting, the time has come to act.
By the glacier! That was amazing.